Portable camping oven lets you bake with confidence at the campsite. Fits on Coleman propane and liquid fuel camp stoves. Adjustable rack can be set at 3 heights for versatile baking. Easy clean aluminum steel construction resists scratches and corrosion. Folds flat for easy storage and carrying. Top reviews from the United States. Great little oven for camping. For the price, size and weight of this, it does an amazing job. For our first use we bought a Betty Crocker chocolate chunk cookie mix and a small disposable fudge pan. I put 2 ceramic bread warmers in the bottom of the oven to help distribute the heat evenly. It took about 5 minutes to get up to 300, then I lowered the heat on the stove and it got to about 340 and stayed there pretty well without further adjustment. The cookie bars were done in 20 minutes and came out perfectly.